Easter morning. It's just found his present from the Easter Bunny. Is it from the Easter Bunny, bud? You're still half asleep. What did the Easter Bunny bring you? Looks like a dump truck, huh? With some candy in it. Oh, it's scissors, bud. Oh, it's scissors. You say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Good job, bud. You got your Christmas PJs on. Your favorite PJs. What is that? Oh, wow. Dump, dump, dump. Dumpity dump, dump. Easter Bunny was here. What did he bring?
Mommy and Daddy and Fatira are going to share this right now.
Okay.
Because I don't want you to get chocolate overload.
Is that what it is? Chocolate?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to have a bite.
Oh, you're gonna
Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Just have a bite. Ooh, what's in there?
Has it got filling?
Filling.
Oh, what is that? Looks like
Let's see.
nougat.
Just as fun as you should.
Look at that truck, man. That is cool. Easter Bunny was a nice guy.
I don't know what it is, but it tastes good. You want a bite?
I would love a bite.
We need to find. I heard he was going to bring some eggs too.
Eggs? Oh, look at that. There's one right there.
Oh.
You found the first Easter
In
egg.
your Easter basket that your mama sent you?
You found your first egg. Everybody, you want to take that one?
Here, you can have the rest.
There you go. Yum.
We're going to put this up on the table.
I think there might.
Some more eggs.
I think there might be some more
How many eggs were
eggs,
there?
and there's a few, I think, around now. You asked the Easter Bunny.
If you like to look for some more eggs.
Gotta find all the eggs, bud. And maybe some other stuff, too. Right.
Let's go look for some eggs then. Where do you think there would be an egg? Is there an egg right there?
Did you find another one already? Oh, man.
wow. Good
You're
job.
a good Easter
Look
egg
at
finder.
there.
Hunter.
Good job. Is there, let's see, I bet there's more eggs.
There's one more.
I think there's more.
Where would the eggs be? Maybe over. Oh,
Oh, yeah. Good
another
job.
one. There might be more over here, I bet.
I think I see something in the ship.
I found another one.
Yay.
Maybe there's more over this way.
Are there?
I don't know, but you might want to look on your Tonka truck a little bit. Maybe put one on your Tonka, bud. Oh, there it is!
Yay! Good job.
What about, there might be something over here. I don't know what. I think Easter Bunny left his box. Oh, Easter Bunny. How about your babies over here, Fritz? What do you think's over here? Maybe look in the baby's hand.
What is that?
What is that?
Is that a
That's,
chocolate lollipop?
Easter candy.
Alright,
you
so we can open.
You can have a taste.
That is a cool dump truck.
It's
You're
made out
right.
of wood. It's handcrafted
Alright, buddy.
by the Easter elves.
Hold it by there.
What do you think of that? That is solid chocolate Easter goodness. Is that good? Mr. Candy? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Alright, let's continue to look for some eggs. We're going to put this back. Oh, you got a good bite.
Okay, I'm going to turn this off. We're signing off from Portland. Can you say bye, everybody?
Okay, happy Easter. Bye-bye.
Happy Easter, bye-bye.
Happy Easter. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.